if you're getting this message which say website not allowed on your iPhone Safari, now this tutorial will guide you on how to fix this issue. Now, for example, you can see here I'm trying to visit youtube.com, but youtube.com is a restricted website, so it's not allowed. Now, here's how to allow. You can see a button here which says add website to allowed list, but if I click this button, it doesn't work, but the website is still locked. Now, what you need to do, you just need to go to your settings. Now, on your settings, make sure to scroll down, select screen time. Now, on the screen time, make sure to scroll down, select content and the privacy restrictions. Now select this here on the web, so App Store, Media, Web and Games. So click it here. Now just scroll down, you'll see web content. So click on web content. Now you'll see the list of websites here that are set to never allow. You can see YouTube is set to never allow. What you need to do, you just need to set to unrestricted. So if you set to unrestricted, now open your Safari. I'll try to refresh the page and you can see YouTube now is working on my browser. So that's how you can fix this issue. If you're still experiencing the same problem, maybe you can try alternative browsers like Chrome, DuckDuckGo and others. So you can try using other browsers. Since there are so many browsers on the App Store, maybe you can try to install a different browser and then try to visit some website and find that the issue can be resolved. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.